Mary?
Yes.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I'm rushing.
You're good.
My kid couldn't walk down all those stairs,
Uh,
so her little legs were trying to keep up. Sorry.
yeah, don't worry.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay.
You got it?
Turn around. Can I go this way?
There is no opening.
Oh.
You'll have to go back
Oh.
the way you came.
Yeah.
It's, yeah. Okay, honey. There you go.
How's your day going?
It's good. How's yours?
That's been good. Thank you. Where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Oh, going home.
I've been house sitting, dog sitting.
Oh.
But
boo.
they're animals I know.
Oh,
if that
nice.
makes it better, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
I like your light.
Light. Thank
Yes.
you. I realized this color make feel warm.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I won't talk so much.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
You're more than welcome to listen to your music, do your thing.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Don't
not
worry.
one of those like needy drivers or
No, I mean
passengers. You know what I mean?
no. I like talking. Don't worry.
Okay. Do you see the lights?
Which color is your favorite?
What's your favorite color, honey? What's your favorite color?
It's pink and gold.
Pink and gold.
Girly.
Pink. I do not have pink, but purple.
Yes.
Well,
Could
Oh
be
my
pink,
gosh.
right? Could be pink. Can you
That's
find
so
pink?
cool. I wasn't expecting you to change that, right?
And also I have blue
That's beautiful.
and green and yellow. And also white.
Yellow is close to gold.
Yeah. All right. So this color or this
Whatever
color?
color.
Okay.
No, we weren't asking. We didn't even know you could change.
Oh yeah. I mean,
That's really neat.
just for her.
Whatever we ride with, we're fine with.
Oh, thank you.
So what movie do you want to watch on Disney Plus when we get back? Tiana? Okay. Don't you hate when you don't know if you have bread or not? Or milk?
Yeah.
Because you didn't check?
Right.
Yes, honey. When you get home, okay? Do you have children?
No.
Not
Yeah.
yet.
Do you have one or
Yes.
just one?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think one is
Enough?
1 to 2 is enough.
Right? That's everyone told me.
But I mean, it depends on
Right there.
what you want in life. Yeah.
Right. It depends on the kids too, right?
Yeah. But they're all different. You
Yeah.
can't clone them. I mean, maybe you can if you have enough money.
Right, for sure. So, are you planning to have one more or that's it?
You know, I don't know. It's I love kids, but it's not a plan. You're right.
Yeah.
Or I'm
Just
saying
not
no.
yet, right?
Yeah.
Just not yet.
I'm getting old. I have too many siblings.
Oh, really?
Well, I'm the oldest out of 6.
Oh, nice.
I have 2 brothers and the rest are girls.
Wow. That's cool. I like big family,
Yeah.
So that's my plan, making a big family.
It can be nice.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the most valuable legacy I can give to my kids in their life. So yeah. And world is huge, so even though you have a lot of siblings, it's hard to meet them. So
Yeah. I mean, everyone is so different. They have different personalities.
Right.
Different lifestyles.
true.
But it's nice. It's nice
some effort.
Exactly. It's hard.
Yeah,
Just because you have a big family doesn't mean you have someone. You're not lonely.
exactly. Right. Yeah. It could be like a sand castle, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Do you like Colorado, or are you from Colorado?
no.
I feel like you're not.
Why?
I don't know. You
How
just
come?
Because I feel like, I don't know, maybe not. Some people I know. I'm saying, it's like, I was born in Denver, but I grew up in California.
Okay.
And like, I hate the cold.
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah.
So I'm like, I got my heat on, it's like blasting. Like,
Yeah. I'm a summer person for sure.
when people are from here, they don't have their heat blasting.
That's
as
correct.
much, you know? Because they're used to it a little bit more.
And then I'm not a winter sports person too. So like whenever people start talking about like skiing or board, I was like,
Yeah.
why do I live here?
No, for real. Seriously.
And when did you move here?
So again, I was born here, but
Yeah.
I grew up I moved back, and it's been years.
It's been a year.
Over a decade, let's say that. So I'm older. I'm older than you, I can tell.
How old are you?
I just turned 34.
Oh, barely.
I'm older than you.
Yeah, barely.
Nah.
I'm 32.
Okay, so I'm older than you. I was right.
Yeah. Good.
No, I'm not gonna turn 35 this year. Year is over. I just turned 34. Let's keep it there.
Don't count it.
You're my first brother's age,
Oh yeah.
so we're 2 years apart.
Nice. Yeah.
We're like twins. That's my boy.
Where does he live? Nearby or?
Yeah. Him and his wife. He doesn't have a wife. I wish he would propose.
Oh, nice.
They're there. They've been together for a while.
Cool.
But I think it's kind of a mutual thing on their behalf. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm hoping for that.
You like
I can't
her?
control that. I do.
Yeah?
I love her. Yeah, she's
Nice.
cool.
The road is so weird.
It is.
Wait a minute.
You could have went there, but at the same time, it's, you're good.
Hey, I was so confused.
No, you did it. You got here.
Oh
so.
my goodness.
Look, I didn't see shit. You good.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I live over here, so I just go through there sometimes.
Yeah.
But it's obviously you shouldn't. But
Yeah,
I do.
definitely. Probably during the daytime, I messed up for sure.
I've done it in front of a cop before.
Oh my god.
And he or she, I
Yeah.
couldn't tell. They did not pull me over. They literally right in front of me. But I was going the opposite way from you. I was going straight.
Yeah.
And they were making a turn. So they
Oh.
could have.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I got really blessed that day.
They figured out already, you know? Like, what's going on here?
They were like, no, she wouldn't play us like that in front of our face.
Right. But, you know.
Hey, in Aurora, it's way different in Aurora. Those cops don't play out there.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
It's way more chill over here. You gotta really be doing something.
Hey, I'm with you. Yeah. If I was a cop, probably I wouldn't play anything over there.
No, for real, just because you on the clock.
Yeah, no. I mean, the parents-in-law, they live in South Carolina.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm planning to move to Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah, or
So
Florida.
many good places to eat.
Really? Ooh, exciting. Because I
Well,
love
I don't
seafood.
know. It depends on what kind of food you like.
I mean,
too.
I love seafood, so as long as
Yeah.
ocean's around, that would be nice. You don't like?
I've never heard anything big on seafood in Georgia.
Oh, really? All right. So where is the
I'm
place?
actually right here.
Oh, this building?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Glad to meet you.
No,
It was fun.
I appreciate you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's been a long week. House sitting, dog sitting, like I said.
Aw.
Okay.
Bye.
Sorry. She's tired. Okay. You want to close it? He's got to go.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Yes, my daughter is spoiled. I give her everything. Well, I try.
I mean, that's what we need. So. Oh yeah, right.
Yes, thank
Totally
you.
forgot.
They're blankets.
Oh, okay.
It's a comforter.
Oh.
But I'm like, you don't want that?
Yeah, no. Have a good night, guys.
Have a great night.
Bye. 미국인이랑 얘기하면서 와, 좀 품격이 있다라고 느낀 사람, 저 사람이 좀 처음이야, 솔직히. 약간 말 한마디 한마디가 되게 뭔가 좀 품격이 느껴진다, 진짜. 교육 잘 받았다, 이게 확 느껴지는 사람이었어, 진짜로. 뭐 같이 있었는데 마음이 편해진다고 해야 될까? 너무 좋네요, 저 사람. Let's go.